to do today is I'm going to show off Chrome for iOS, which hit the iOS App Store today and is now available for iOS. I'm going to give you a little quick demo here on how it's used, usability and stuff. So let's just start it up. Starts rather quickly, and if you don't have any tabs open, it'll give you this overview of tabs on other devices if you're logged in with your Chrome account, so Google account. Yeah, so you have like three options here. Down here, which is number one, is the familiar. If you've ever used Chrome for the desktop, the familiar most used tab overview. Bookmarks, which my mobile bookmarks are empty, but you can go to your desktop bookmarks here. And the third one, by the way, you can also swipe through here. The third one is all the tabs that are open on other devices, which has recently been introduced to Google Chrome. And well, let's just start one up here. It opens rather quickly, not as quick as Safari, and you can just click on this overview here and get a new tab. Let's, for example, take paulandstorm.com here. They make funny videos, music. They've recently released George R. Martin, Right Like the Wind, a song about George R. Martin, the writer of A Song of Ice and Fire. Let's just open the third tab here. For example, this download Windows 8 preview from my laptop. So now we got three tabs open here. If you go into the tab overview, you can swipe through. They will kind of overlap here the further you go, and you can simply delete one by swiping to the side. If you're in landscape mode, by swiping up, and until you have none open. So what you probably realize rather quickly is that Chrome isn't as responsive and as quickly in loading new pages as Safari is. That's due to some restrictions that Apple imposes on third-party apps. So Safari uses Nitro, which is an engine for JavaScript for real quick browsing action, but they don't allow third-party apps to use that engine. So Chrome really builds up on the normal iOS techniques that Safari doesn't have to use because of better alternatives. So therefore, Chrome is a little slower, but I think it's rather responsive, and I really like that when you sign in with your Chrome account, which you get asked at the beginning, you can access all your tabs from all devices, just as you use Chrome as well. Okay, so this page doesn't really exist. Just close the tab, and yeah, well, never mind. The thing is, I really like the sign in option, which I know from Chrome. Of course, you can argue Safari is going to include that in iOS 6, and Mountain Lion will have it as well, but since I'm an Ubuntu user mainly, I can't rely on Safari because it's not available for Linux. So therefore I chose Chrome, which I also like due to the huge amount of extensions. Chrome is basically like Chrome OS, so you have a real fast operating system inside your operating system, and that's cool. So I like that this feature has finally been made available, and even if you only use it until iOS integrates that with Safari, later this year, but I think it's really usable. I like the interface, and it feels rather intuitive, and I really like the sync tabs option. Of course, you gotta trade off a little of your responsiveness and how quick the UI reacts, but I think in this case that's really worth it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video.